Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our worksheet 3. Okay. In worksheet 3, these formulas are given when CP and gain percent or loss percent is given. With the help of that given values, you can find selling price. Okay, this is a formula of finding selling price. Cost price into 100 plus gain percent. If gain percent is given, you can use this formula upon 100. Okay, this formula you will learn, and this formula you can make yourself. Okay, by transposing. See, you multiply this, transpose this 100 this side, this will become SP into 100. See, like this. Okay, from here to here. Okay, and this will be the denominator. Suppose selling price and gain percent is given to you. With the help of these values, you can find CP. Okay, means you have to learn only this formula. Okay, you can make this formula with the help of this. Okay, and next formula is selling price is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent. If loss percent is given, then you will use this formula. Okay, see the difference here. Gain percent, then you will write plus sign. If loss percent is given, then you will write minus sign. Other rest all are same. Clear? Like this. After transposing SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, with the help of this you can find this formula also. Okay, you should learn all these formulas. Okay, for doing this worksheet. First question. In first question it is given, I purchased a watch for rupees 330 rupees and sold it at a loss of 20%. Find the selling price of the watch. Here, cost price of the watch is given and loss percent is given. By using this formula, you can do this question. Okay, selling price you can find. You will use this formula and put the values of CP and loss percent and can find selling price. This question is homework for you. Okay, you can take the help of example also, but I think you will do it easily. Question number 1 is your homework. Now we are going to do question number 2. In question number 2, the buy selling a television for rupees 8,000, a shopkeeper loses 20% of his cost. Okay, if he sells it for rupees 11,000, what is the what profit or loss would he will get? Okay, in question number 2, selling price of the television is given rupees 8,000, loss percent is given. With the help of these two values you can find CP. Okay, you can find CP. Like this you will put the values here. Wherever selling price you will write the value of SP, and loss percent you will write the value of loss percent. Okay, here firstly you will subtract these two. 100 minus 20, 80 you will get. 8,000 into 100, then multiply and cancellation. After cancellation you will find the value 10,000. It means CP of the television is 10,000 rupees, and it is given that selling price, if the shopkeeper will sell that TV for 11,000. Earlier he sold 8,000, sold that TV of rupees 8,000, then he got the loss of 20%. Okay, it means the CP of the cost price of the TV was 10,000 and he sold for rupees to 8,000. Okay, he got the loss of 2,000 rupees. You can subtract this value and you can find it is asked if the shopkeeper will sell that TV of rupees 11,000, then what will be the profit or loss? Okay, he will get, see, selling price is more than cost price, then obviously profit he will gain. By solving this, after subtracting 11,000 minus 10,000, it means he has the profit of 1,000 rupees. Okay, in this way you can do this question. Now question number 3 is, you can do this question, okay, easily with the help of these formulas. Directly you will put the values and in formulas, and you can find the answer. Okay, now question number 4 we are going to do. In question number 4, Sita sells a dining set to Nita for rupees 6,000 and gains 20%. For how much should she sell it to increase her profit by another 5%? Okay, Sita sells the dining table to Nita for rupees 6,000, means this is the selling price of the dining table, and she got gain 20%. This is the gain percent. With the help of these two formulas you can find sell cost price. Okay, it means the cost price of the dining table was 5,000, and she sold the dining table for 6,000 rupees. Here she got 20% gain. Now the question is, if what will be the price of the selling price of that dining set if the profit will increase 5%? Means earlier the profit was 20%, now the profit she wants 25%, means 5% more. Okay, then what would be the cost of that dining set? Okay, you have to find CP, you know, gain percent, now 25%. Okay, with the help of these formulas you can find selling price. Okay, in this way you can solve this question. Okay, this is all about for today. The rest we will do tomorrow. Okay, thank you.